Hi, this is Romeo again. Please review my YouTube channel, which I have discussed before. What is the first condition? A polynomial is a sum or difference of two cubes if it satisfies these two conditions. First, it must be a binomial. Second, each term is a cube. Okay, let's try. Are they binomials? Binomial, two terms. Binomial, two terms. Binomial, two terms. Okay, check. Now, each term is a cube. Is this a cube? Okay, let's check. M to the 8th power. Is this divisible by 3? No. So, this is not a cube. So, we will cancel this out. Okay, next. Is it a binomial? Yes. Each term is a cube. Is this a cube? Yes, because 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. Is this a cube? Yes, because 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. Is this a cube? Yes, because m times m times m is m cube. But, mas maganda kung isulat natin muna yung positive. Tapos, isunod natin yung negative. Mas convenient pag positive ang nauna. Now, what is the cube root of 27m cube? This will become 3m times 3m times 3m minus 1 times 1 times 1. Now, what will be your answer? 3m, the first term, minus 1 because this is negative. This will become your binomial. Your trinomial, you have to square the first term. 3 times 3 is 9, m times m is m squared. Now, since this is negative, the middle term must be positive. Then, you have to multiply. 3m times negative 1 is negative 3m. Ano ang kabaligtaran noon? Positive 3m. Now, we have to square 1. So, this will become 1 again. So, this will be your final answer. Okay, let's go to number 3. Is this a binomial? Yes. Each term is a cube. Okay, let's try. 125 is equals to what? 5 times 5, 25. 25 times 5, 125. Check. M cube, M cube, M cube. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. Okay, check. Plus. P to the 12th power. Yeah, just divide this by 3. Divide this by 3. 3, 3, 3. Divide this by 3. 4, 4, 4. Now, what will be your answer? This is positive. Remember, your first term is 5m cube. Ito. Plus p to the 4th power. Times. Square mo ito, magiging 25. Square mo ito, magiging m to the 6. Tapos negative ito. Pag positive ito, negative dito. Multiply mo silang dalawa. 5 m cube p to the 4th. Ano ang kabaligtaran nito? Negative 5. M cube p to the 4th power. Now, you have to square this. P to the 8th power. So, this will be your final